When shopping for sheet pans for your ILVE Majestic, you should first consider the size. Knowing a sheet pan's exact size will help you achieve the best results and enjoy a superior cooking experience with your multifunctional Majestic range. The 30-inch induction and gas ILVE Majestic comes with a 700 series maxi oven equipped with 2 racks and 2 trays. For even more baking and cooking options, you can use 4 different standard size sheet pans: 22 by 16 inches, 18 by 13 inches, 13 by 9.5 inches, and 9.5 by 6.5 inches. The exact measurements apply for the 36-inch ILVE Majestic, which includes 2 racks and a tray. For even more baking and cooking options, you can use 4 different standard size sheet pans: 22 by 16 inches, 18 by 13 inches, 13 by 9.5 inches, and 9.5 by 6.5 inches. The 40-inch Majestic is a double-range oven with one standard 600 series oven and a mini 30 series oven. Both 13 by 9.5 inch and 9.5 by 6.5 inch sheet pans will fit perfectly into your standard oven. Turn the pans lengthwise and they will easily fit into your mini oven. The 48-inch Majestic comes with 2 Maxi 800 series oven and a mini 30 series oven. The Maxi oven includes 2 racks, a rotisserie, and a tray, while the mini oven has 1 rack and a rotisserie. Here you can use measuring pans 22 by 16 inches, 18 by 13 inches, 13 by 9.5 inches, 9.5 by 6.5 inches for your Maxi oven. And both 13 by 9.5 inches and 9.5 by 6.5 inches pans will fit into your mini oven. The same measurements apply for the 60-inch Majestic range, which comes with a Maxi 800 series oven with one standard 600 series oven. The Maxi oven is equipped with 2 racks and a tray, while the standard oven holds a rack and a rotisserie. For more information, you can visit our website or social media platforms.